What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. We're here for yet another day on the battlefield. We had a nice textbook gap fill play today. I'm going to be breaking down the intraday price action for the S&P 500. And if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right, guys. So first thing, we're going to be looking at support and resistance from yesterday. So I have yesterday's low, high, and close drawn up. And then we're going to be looking at establishing a bias. So let's move to the futures chart. Let's go on the hourly and let's see where we were coming into the open. So this is something that I talk about a lot, something that actually happened on Monday, where we have coming into the open. So this is coming into the open. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles in a row on Monday. And look over here, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles in a row outside the mid-Bollinger Band. Yes, everybody wants to go short. Yes, we've had nice short plays. But when we're this extended coming into the open, we need to be cautious of a reversal. Okay. So right off the bat at the open, we had this push down, and it's the same thing that we see on the hourly chart. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles in a row, guys. Okay. So this is the waterfall setup that I've been talking about in my previous videos. So over here, we have the first high bar broken in this 5-minute waterfall. That's your entry, that's your stop. You know we're extended on the hourly chart. You know we're extended on the 5-minute chart. We have a nice time frame alignment where both the 5-minute and the hourly are extended. And this is a textbook, very high probability setup. Entry above the high, stop below the low. And your target would have been the gap fill, just because there is a lot of short pressure that was still happening. So that in itself, guys, is a 4.3 R play. And I'm going to round down to 4. Say you got in a little bit late, still make 4R on a 2% of a 20K account using the R system. That's $1,600. That's great money, guys. Okay. And if you had a different style where you kind of wanted to trail, we could draw up the fibs from low to high. We see the 50% played. This is where you would move your stop. And guys, look, all the targets up here get taken out. And this is where you take your targets little by little as you go up. So at the very, very high of the day, there was a nice into the close. If you were able to hold it, 8.5 R, which is amazing. That's amazing, amazing, amazing profits. Okay. For the shorts, like I said, we were very, very extended coming into the open. So you could have either just taken this quick short here for a 1R, or the more reliable play, guys, would be taking the short at the gap fill, because we know that's where the area of resistance is going to be. And unfortunately for the shorts, they could not squeeze out an R or 2R on this play, but it's okay. If we look at the last 2 days, look at these big winners for the shorts. Okay. So this is the thing, guys. On Monday for the longs, we had a good play. On Friday, we had, on today, Thursday, we have a good play. So things balance out. There's always opportunities to make money long or short, but you have to be consistent. This is why consistency is king. Okay. And here on my Trading Wars Twitter today, guys, I call this setup out at 10:09. All right. And even though the last 2 days haven't been the greatest for us, we still come back and make money today, and we're still profitable on the week. So that's what you have to look for. Look for the long run, and don't get caught up with the little setbacks that happen. Okay. Look into the long run. Okay. And one more thing I want to share with you guys is, if you have a strategy where you're making, on average 1 or 2 hour a week, guys, if you can compound that and save some money, all of a sudden your R could be $1,000 or $2,000, and you're making 1 hour, 2 hour a week. That's $1,000 or $2,000 a week, right? So keep that in the back of your mind while you're going through this journey, and build yourself a profitable system that you can follow. Okay. Please comment, like, subscribe. I hope you guys learned something from this video. We had the waterfall on both time frames. We call that time frame alignment, and we take it to the most reliable target, which is the gap fill. Okay. All right. Enjoy the rest of your days. We'll chat tomorrow.